Hi, I'm Violin Goldenberg, creator of Momisi Music House and the Puppets for Strings violin series. Have you been looking for fun, creative ways to teach young violin beginners? Whether you're a new teacher, an experienced teacher, or the parent of a young violin beginner, at Momisi Music House, you'll find tips, ideas, activities, songs, and original repertoire to help you teach and practice with your beginner student. On this channel, you'll also find the Puppets for Strings series, where the Momisi team, together with our animated friends from our soon-to-be-available books, help you ignite the child's imagination through colorful teaching and lively learning experiences. You won't want to miss our talking violin, our talking animal friends, Lula the teacher, a funny-looking pizza, and so many more. We've also created Momisi Music Art Friends so that your students can send us the drawings of the characters that they're meeting throughout the episodes. Go to momisimusichouse.com to find out more. So, are you up for motivating the young beginner to discover the violin through excitement, tiny steps, and a great deal of fun? Then join our Momisi team and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you inside.